think it was illegal?
Well, for one thing, you can't use county time and county taxpayers' money to have police officers standing by while you have the sex. That came out of the courtroom. Police officers on overtime while he's having sex in bowling alley, parking lot, in the mall parking lot. That's illegal to use their time to do it. It's not illegal to have sex, like that. But it is illegal to use officers' time to do it.
Based on what you heard in court today, do you feel that some or any of these charges should be dropped? Why or why not?
Well, I'm kind of wondering. I believe that the judge, by the way he's asking the questions, it seems like he may drop some of the malfeasance portions of it. But that's just going by the way he's asking the questions. He may just be asking the questions to be asking the questions. But I don't believe that some of those are mistakes.
Do you think of the way that the prosecution is handling this?
I'm not impressed with the prosecution.
Why?
I'm not impressed with it. They just don't seem to be aggressive enough. I'm more impressed with, I hate to say it, his defense attorneys. They're not being aggressive enough, and the questioning is not being aggressive enough, and basically, I'm just not impressed with them.
Does it say that the average person can't get a fair break? You got to have a good lawyer.
No, you just need to have a good person, a good attorney to do that. You don't need to, you just need to be an attorney who knows the law, who can be aggressive and put in and make and pinpoint these issues. And I don't think they're doing a good job of that.
Can you be clear on your connection to this case and what your connection is to Leopold, your own interactions?
Well, like I said, my only connection is that my name came up on his enemies list. And my name really only came up because I'm a friend of Paul Snowden's. And so he had a person to open up a file on me. He had a person to go to the NCIC checks on me. And all these things are things that you cannot do. And I was not a person who should have been targeted, period, because I was working for the federal government at that time. The Hatch Act prevents me being involved in politics. Therefore, there was no reason for him to have an officer open up any kind of account on me. I've been checked by the FBI. I have a clean background. There's no reason for him to have done that.
And your name?
Lewis A. Bracy.
Spell it for me.
B-R-A-C-Y, Lewis, L-E-W-I-S.
And I just want to be clear on one other thing. So you're watching this trick come down. Do you think charges will be dropped? I mean, the judge is saying, well, there's one thing with it being perhaps wrong, but another of crossing the line, illegal.
That's why I'm saying that it bothers me that the prosecution is not being strong on that area to pinpoint those, the differences. And I think the judge is questioning that too. The judge is saying, no harm, no foul, basically.